This video is going to cover how to do a quick exterior rendering using ArielVision. We will cover the ability to render with just one click, review some of the features of ArielVision, and review the final results. Hey everyone, so here's a model that I downloaded from the 3D Warehouse. Just search for front porch or find it on our 3D Warehouse account under Render Plus Systems if you would like to use this model as well. One of my favorite new features of ArielVision is the ability to make a great looking rendering with just one click. And to do that, it's really pretty easy. I have everything that I need. I have the model positioned the way I like it, and I have downloaded and installed ArielVision from ArielVision.com. You'll notice this toolbar up here. This is the ArielVision toolbar. Everything you need to do a really high quality, detailed rendering can be found here, but because we're doing a really quick, simple, one-click rendering, all we need to care about is this button right here, the render button. But before I press it, I just want to make it clear that I simply downloaded this model from the warehouse. I haven't edited it, I haven't adjusted any settings. This is just the way that I downloaded it. Okay, so now I can click the render button and let ArielVision do all the work for me and create a great looking rendering. When you do that, this dialog box will appear, and it's just asking me to enter a little bit of information so that it can render the model here more accurately. Again, there's plenty of other options that you can select if you're looking to do a more detailed rendering, but today we're just sticking with the simple one-click render, and for right now, all I want to make sure that is checked is this exterior button right here. Then hit Start Rendering. You can see that it's extracting the geometry, and depending on the size and complexity of your model, this will take somewhere between a few seconds and a few minutes. Now it started to do the passes, and the key to remember here is that the more passes you allow ArielVision to do, the better the rendering will be. Notice how the shadows are softening and the highlights are becoming more realistic. So just let it work and you'll have a great result in the end. And here it is. Such a nice looking model with hardly any effort and very little time. And then here they are side by side. Just take a look at the changes. Notice the softer shadows and the reflection in the windows created entirely by ArielVision's rendering engine. One last thing I wanted to show you is the HDRI rendering. The HDRI preset surrounds the model in a 360-degree image, which is used for the background, for illumination of the scene, and for reflections in the windows. So it's just a really nice way to get realistic lighting in your rendering. And to do that, we'll go back up here to the ArielVision toolbar, hit Render, and then this time we'll choose the HDRI option. Click Start Rendering and let it do its work. And here's the final image. Really nice, even lighting, beautiful sky, and really cool looking reflections in the windows. So that's it for this video. Remember, we got some really good looking renderings in no time at all and with very little work. So go give it a try for yourself and let us know what you think.